Hey everyone, we're Steven, Jess, and this little one, she's Hunter. We're a family from Australia, currently living out of their van. But due to the pandemic, our friends in Canada had yet to see our baby. So after being shut off from the world for 2 years, the borders finally opened and we packed up our home, caught the first flight out of Oz and surprised them all. We then spent an incredible 3 months abroad, from camping in winter tents, catching overnight trains, and making memories with Mickey both on land and at sea. Sadly, memories, even bittersweet ones, do have to come to an end.
Unfortunately, this is our final episode here before we get reunited with Cooper.
And now we're here in Mammoth Lakes in California, and we wanted to say a huge thank you to GoPro and Visit Mammoth for sponsoring this video. We flew in yesterday to the smallest little airport that we've ever been here in the US. We grabbed our bags from the baggage claim shed, headed to our rental car, and drove straight up to the mountains. But before we get to Mammoth Lakes, we saw a turnoff for an absolutely breathtaking hike. It's called Convict Lakes. Wow, this place looks so beautiful.
I'm just trying to take this all in right now. I don't know the next time that we're going to be surrounded by snow-capped mountains. Hey Hunter, where's the mountain? Is it so pretty? Beautiful. Well, look at that, Steve.
Wow. I know we've done a lot of coal, but then you don't have it for a while and then you come back.
So what makes this place so unique is all the breathtaking lakes in the area, hence why it is called Mammoth Lakes.
I don't know if this is a normal California thing, but I can see snow, yet I'm walking around in a t-shirt. It is the most perfect weather for this hike. Alright, we're at a new spot, the light is slowly disappearing, and we haven't eaten since Orlando. I think we need to hurry this hike up. Alright, I don't know about you guys, but for us little fish out of water Australians, we don't see snow so much. And one of our favorite things we did last year in the snow was tubing.
So we've just come up to Willy's snow tube park and we're going to be spending the afternoon snow tubing, which I think is one of my favorite winter activities. Wow! Thank you!
Let's go!
Okay! If I wanted to spin or go straight, I said spin. And now I regret it. I don't even think I'm going to be able to walk. Wait. Okay, so if they ask you if you want to go straight or spin, I recommend choosing spin. Okay. Enjoy.
Well, this is lovely. Last time we did tubing, we had to walk ourselves up. I got a little lazy elevator here. Straight or spin? Let's do spin. Oh my gosh, I'm so dizzy. Never trusting Jess again. You know what? After all that, just come to the snow park. The fun's not just for all the adults. It's Hunter as well. So Jess has taken Hunter for a little nap. There's a few more hours left of sun, so I think I'm going to go for another hike. So I'm starting to learn about Mammoth Lakes is a lot of the car parks seem to end at about 2.5 kilometers, so everything seems to be a hike in to see the sights. But I've heard this one is, I don't even want to say the word maintained, but it definitely looks not as flat as what we were doing, so I decided to rent out a couple of snowshoes, especially because we don't really have much winter gear with us at the moment. And plus, it makes it a bit more fun. This year's New Year's resolution, just drink more water. I've walked like 3 kilometers and I'm just opening my bottle. Google Maps said it'll be about half an hour walk. It's been an hour and 20 minutes. I don't know if I was slow or if it was tougher. But this is why with walks I always have a little treat at the end. It just keeps you going. And a perfect little treat to watch the sunset. I haven't had a Snickers in so long. It's really cool because there's so much geothermal activity here. You can come do a hike out here. You can come see some of the most breathtaking rivers surrounded by these high snowy cliffs, and of course because it's a little bit chilly, all the steam is just erupting from that and it just adds to the ambiance. It is so beautiful. Wow, definitely worth coming out and doing the hike, guys. Just bring a choc bar for the end. You guys just know how much we love capturing memories, especially as a family with little Hunter to look back on. And I kid you not, we've been capturing memories with GoPro cameras since our very first trip together, me and Jess. 14 years ago on the GoPro HERO2. And we still have those memories to look back on. But it's 2022 and we all want more from our video cameras. With the HERO10, the image quality has just been taken to the next level. You can do 5.3K at 60 frames per second, getting that beautiful slow motion. And we can take 23 megabyte photos in low light. Thanks to the GP2 processor, this camera just has everything. And it's so small. And one of my favorite features is the Hyper Smooth 4.0, which gives us some incredibly butter smooth shots, like when we're shaking as we're going down the tubes. And of course, you can use the GoPro in snow, water, and extreme temperatures. Alrighty, let's do the trek back because I'm so hungry and I want to go out somewhere for dinner.
So we've just checked into our little accommodation where we're staying. It's called Sierra Nevada Lodge. It is right in town and it really has those cozy cabin vibes, but I've just made veggie lentils, Steven's put on a fire, and we're just going to enjoy our night. So we are all currently in Orlando time zone, which means that we've been waking up at 5 a.m. and we thought, hey, if we're going to be awake this early, we may as well go on a sunrise mission. And this morning we've woken up. The sun has just started to peak over the mountains. It looks so beautiful. And I think we have a pretty good spot that we're going to go check out. Oh no. So our big plan this morning was to go to the hot springs. And it looks like that they've closed the road, which means we have, what, a 2K walk?
2.7K.
Half an hour? 2.7K. How long is that going to take us? Are we going to half an hour with Hunter? Are we going to try it?
Oh, yeah, let's do it.
Okay, let's try it. Okay, we have started the hike and we do have a solution for Hunter. She isn't having to walk this. We picked up a sled.
What have you guys found?
This was so worth the walk. It took only like 30 minutes, would you say?
Yeah, 30 minutes.
30 minutes, and then we have been greeted to these amazing hot springs. And it looks like we are the only ones here.
All right, I'm grabbing my betas. I'll be back.
Come on in.
Nothing like a quick short run across the ice to get to the thermal pools. Oh, wow.
Isn't it so nice?
So nice.
It's so good. I don't know how we're going to get Hunter out of this.
Oh my goodness, this was worth waking up at sunrise, even though we're on Orlando time, so up anyway. This is one of the coolest things I think we've done in the States so far. So Mammoth Mountain is a dormant volcano, hence why we have all these geothermal activity around, which have made these incredible natural hot springs. Whoa!
Dum, 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 So I think this adventure was a little too big for Hunter because she's currently passed out in the sled on the way back to the car.
So we've just come out to Stellar Brew, just here in the middle of town, and apparently they are known for their breakfast burritos. Have you had a burrito before? It's yummy. Oh, thank you. That's okay.
Mama.
Mama's going to get the coffees.
Oh.
It looks good, huh? Do you want to try? It's good? Yeah. This is the perfect breakfast. This is so good. Cheers.
Burritos?
Someone's a big fan.
Oh my, is she having the full blown one?
Yeah.
The jalapeno one?
No, I've got that one.
Oh yeah, she's got the egg and she's got Mummy's one. Is it so yum? Can Mummy have a taste? Thank you. Oh, you're not letting go. Okay. Mummy have a taste? Oh, that is a good burrito. Yum, Hunter. Oh, you got banana all over you. Oh, Hunter. Is it snowing? Wow. Can we put a jacket on you? Stomp in it. So we're about to leave Mammoth Lakes and we've woken up to the snowiest day ever, but I hope you guys enjoyed our travels around the US. I'm so glad we're leaving it on a snowy day because I don't know the next time we're going to see snow.
But we kind of miss Cooper, so we're heading back home. If you guys are new around here, hit subscribe and we'll see you soon.
Bye!